First impressions matter, especially when it comes to your home. In Gilbert, where neighborhoods are known for their clean lines, modern styles, and well-maintained properties, your front door plays a much bigger role than you might think. It's often the first thing visitors notice and one of the most visible features from the street. Replacing an outdated or worn door can instantly elevate your home's curb appeal while delivering practical benefits that homeowners appreciate every day. A fresh look that transforms your home. An old door with faded paint, dents, or outdated design can make even a well-kept home feel tired. Replacement doors offer an immediate visual upgrade. Whether you choose a sleek modern design, a classic paneled style, or a door with decorative glass inserts, a new door refreshes your home's exterior without the need for major renovations. In Gilbert properties, homeowners often favor doors that complement desert-friendly color palettes and architectural styles. From bold statement colors to natural wood finishes or clean neutral tones, a replacement door allows you to express personal style while enhancing the overall look of your property. Boosting property value and buyer appeal. Curb appeal isn't just about aesthetics, it directly impacts property value. A well-chosen replacement door can make your home more attractive to potential buyers, often offering one of the highest returns on investment among exterior upgrades. When buyers pull up to a home, the front door sets expectations. A new, stylish door suggests that the property has been well cared for, creating confidence before anyone steps inside. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, knowing your home looks its best from the street is a rewarding benefit. Enhanced security without sacrificing style. Modern replacement doors are designed with both beauty and safety in mind. Today's doors are built with stronger cores, reinforced frames, and advanced locking systems that provide better protection than older models. This added security is especially appealing to Gilbert homeowners who want peace of mind without compromising curb appeal. Decorative glass options now feature impact-resistant and reinforced designs, allowing you to enjoy natural light and elegant details while maintaining strong security. Energy efficiency that makes a difference. Gilbert's hot climate means energy efficiency is always top of mind. Older doors often allow air leaks, making it harder to keep your home cool. Replacement doors are engineered with improved insulation, tight seals, and energy-efficient materials that help regulate indoor temperatures. Not only does this improve comfort, but it can also reduce energy costs over time. The added bonus? Energy-efficient doors often look more substantial and refined, further enhancing curb appeal. Customization to match Gilbert homes. One of the biggest advantages of replacement doors is customization. Homeowners can select materials, colors, finishes, hardware, and glass styles that perfectly match their home's exterior. Whether your property leans toward contemporary desert modern or traditional Southwest charm, there's a door style that fits seamlessly. Small details, like upgraded handles, side lights, or transom windows, can dramatically enhance the entrance, creating a welcoming focal point that stands out in the neighborhood. Low maintenance, long-lasting beauty. New replacement doors are built to withstand harsh sunlight, heat, and weather exposure common in Gilbert. Materials such as fiberglass and steel resist warping, cracking, and fading, keeping your entryway looking fresh with minimal upkeep. This durability ensures your curb appeal upgrade lasts for years, maintaining its visual impact without constant maintenance or repainting. A simple upgrade with big impact. Replacing your door is one of the simplest ways to transform the look of your home. It's a focused improvement that delivers immediate results: better style, improved security, increased energy efficiency, and enhanced property value. For Gilbert homeowners looking to elevate curb appeal without overwhelming renovations, replacement doors offer a smart, stylish, and lasting solution that makes coming home feel even better.